Hi everyone, welcome back to Nisi Custom. Today we're going to be unboxing some goodies that I got from hogsoutfitter.com, Pro World, and CC Sublimation Blanks. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, the first box that we're going to unbox is the one from Hogs, H-O-G-G, Hogs. And these, if anybody know anything about Hogs, they specialize in tumblers and everything else. Okay, the first thing, let me bend that back some. Okay, I got like a couple of things. This is the first thing we're going to open up. Are these. These are the wine tumblers. Yeah, I should have had a list on what I had when I bought, but I don't. And these, and I got this right here from the closeout sale, and all of it is supplement. Okay, what else I got? I think that's one. Oh, I got a lot of these. What is this? Let me see. That's the same thing. Oh yeah, that's the same one. How many of these things I got? Okay, that's one. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. I got 4 of them. 4 of them. I got 4 of them. And these. $16 ounces, but they don't come with lids. Why they don't come with lids? Didn't realize that, but I'm gonna go look on the website and see if lids can go with them. And how many I got of these? Okay, that's 1, 2. Okay. These right here are the, okay, they got the description on the side. These are the 12-ounce sublimation slim hoagies. And these right here are the 12-ounce supplement stemless wine glass. So I got 4 of those. That's the hoagie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 of these. And this right here is the supplement 22-ounce fatty tumbler. Oh, okay. These are the not the skinny tumblers, but the fat ones. Okay. Can't wait to serve on that. Yep, can't wait to serve on that. And I have 1, 2, 3, that's 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5, 6. I have 6 of those, and the last set I have the 30-ounce fatty tumbler. And these right here are the 30 ounce ones. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 of those. Okay. 5 of those. And that's all the stuff that I got from Hogs. Okay, my next box is, and all these right here, I got them on sale from Hogs. Okay. Here goes me with that okay. Instead of okay, next. The next one is from CC Sublimation Blanks. It's a group that on Facebook that I joined, and they have a website where they sell different sublimation blanks. So, and I have, let me see what I got from them. Oh, these are my sippy cups. That's what my sippy cups. And I have 2 of those. And the next one are my sippy cups. I have a pink one and I have a blue one. That was too fast. Okay. And I have some more shrink wrap paper. 2 wallets. And I believe this is the blue one. Sippy cup. Yeah, this is the blue one. Sippy cup. So I have a pink one and a blue one, and this is my skinny tumbler, 30 ounce. And I have 2 of those. So that's what I got from CC Sublimation Blanks. I got those. Come back in here. Okay. And my last one from Pro World. Lord, they got the tape on this. They have tape on this box. You hear me? And bring it down some. Cut it again. Okay. Piece of cardboard. These are my face masks. I have to do some face. These are my face masks. And my filters to go in them. And this is my Forever sublimation paper that I want to try. And every time you purchase anything from them, they always give you the Swiss Fish candy all the time. Okay, there go me. Okay, well, that is it for today. Unboxing my sublimation blanks. In the description box, I'm gonna have everything, all the websites that I got everything from, and what I got. And I will see you the next time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, God loves you and I love you too. Bye.